You check both voltage and resistance when diagnosing contactors or capacitors because one measurement alone can miss different failure modes that produce similar symptoms. For contactors, start by measuring coil resistance with a multimeter set to ohms to confirm the coil is intact. A coil that reads open or infinite resistance is failed and needs replacement. If coil resistance is within the expected range, verify voltage at the coil while the control circuit is calling for the contactor to pull in. No voltage under load suggests a control or safety interlock issue. For capacitors, measure capacitance with a meter that supports that function or use the manufacturer-rated microfarads as a reference. A significantly low capacitance indicates deterioration even if the part is not shorted. Also measure voltage across the capacitor under operating conditions because a capacitor that cannot hold voltage will fail to support motor start or run needs. Always discharge capacitors safely before resistance or continuity checks to avoid meter damage or personal shock, and when replacing components match voltage rating and capacitance or coil resistance specifications exactly. Common mistakes include testing capacitance only with the circuit powered, which risks false readings and shock. Always isolate and discharge the capacitor before bench testing. Another frequent error is assuming a normal coil resistance means the contactor is fine when the coil never receives proper control voltage. Check both coil resistance and the applied control voltage during operation. A third issue is replacing parts without verifying connection integrity or wiring faults. Visually inspect terminals and measure for loose connections or high resistance joints and tighten or re-terminate as needed. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate and compare local contractors by project type and read community discussions for peer experiences. We also help contractors showcase services and connect with homeowners, while our forum supports troubleshooting conversations and local recommendations.